Hello and welcome to PHP Variables. Variables are containers for storing information. In PHP, a variable starts with the $sign followed by the name of the variable. A variable can have a short name like X and Y, but it is advisable that they are more descriptive like age, car name, and total volume. So before we proceed, let's know that there are some rules for creating PHP variables. The first one is a variable should start with the $sign followed by the name of the variable. A variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with a number or contain spaces. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Variable names are case sensitive. Small letter age is different from variable capital letter age. So let's check this out. This is our variable file and we are going to create our PHP tags. Now let's declare some variable. To declare a variable, all you need to do is just to use the $sign, and after the $sign you decide on the name of the variable. So let's say count is equal to 10. Okay, that is a numeric variable. Let's declare some other variable. Variable name is equal to, remember there are two ways to declare variable with string. So this is a string variable using double quotes, and I can declare another one called country, and you can declare that with single quotes, Nigeria. Okay, just for formatting. So these are different variables formats in PHP. As you know already, you should not create a variable that starts with a number. This is wrong. So maybe starting with number 4 is a wrong way to create a variable. Another way is you can use underscore. So I can say variable underscore, or, but ideally I prefer to use my variables without underscore. But also you can do something like variable first name, something like this, and you can say precious. So you see, you can use underscore to also separate your variables so that they are descriptive. So it is wise that you use descriptive variables. Also, you can have things like this, x, okay, x is equal to 5, and also variable y is equal to 9. All right. Now that we've declared these variables, we can also echo their values out. So to echo a variable, let's say variable x. So let's echo variable x. So let's open a variable file. So let's reload this, and this is our variable file. So let's open it in a new tab. I'll close this, guys. As you can see, it is 5. If I change this to y and reload, you see it is now 9. If I change this to count, it's 10. And what if I change this to name? And there you have it. My name is on the screen because we are echoing the variable name, and name has been stored with the value of precious Ariel. You can also assign a variable to a variable. And how do I do that? I can change the value. I can create a variable z and assign the value of variable x to it. Okay, so anything that variable x holds will become the value of z too. So now x is 5, so let's echo out variable z, and as you can see, z is 5 because z is now equal to the value of variable x. Also, remember that we said that capital variables and small letter variables are different. So if we say variable, so we have variable small letter x, let's add a variable capital letter x to it. Let me put that under. So this is capital letter x, and let's make this 15. So let's echo out x again. Small letter x. Small letter x is 5, as you can see here. What about capital letter X? So you see capital letter X is 15. So a recap of what we've gone through. A variable name should start with $sign. A variable name must start with a letter or a underscore. Variable name cannot start with a number or contain space. So instead of space, I have gone ahead to use this underscore. So there is no space. Instead of space, you can use underscore. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters, okay? And the variable names are case sensitive, like I just showed you with this example, small letter x and capital letter X. So guys, that is it on this video. I'll see you in the next one.